Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on SolidWorks. In this session, we are going to design a helical coil spring. We will see quite a few designs of the helical coil spring over the few sessions. I am starting with the basic one. We'll first go to new option, part, okay. I'll first choose the front plane, normal 2. I'll go to sketch and I'll first draw a circle from the center. I'll give it dimension. Say this value of diameter is 50 mm. You can click on the tick sign, which is okay. Now I'll come out from this. Next I'll go to features. I'll go to curves and I'll choose the last option, helix and spiral. It is asking for a plane on which to sketch a circle to define the helix cross section, or it is asking for a sketch that contains a single circle. So I'll click on the circle that we have created. I'm using the first option here, that is constant pitch. Here also there are various options. I'm using pitch and revolution, which is the first one. So it is asking for the pitch that I want to give, that is the height or the distance between the two coils. So say I give it as 6 mm. Number of revolutions, say it is 10. And the start angle is 90 degree. And I'm choosing clockwise. I'll click on OK. So when you tilt the body and you just click once outside, you can see this coil portion has been made. Now I want to create a small circle here. So I'll choose the perpendicular plane, that is right plane. And here I want to choose this point here. That's where I want to make the sketch. I want to draw a circle, so it will again ask for that plane itself. So I'll just select the right plane and I'll draw a circle here at this point. Now I'm going to give it a radius of say 1.2 mm. Okay. And exit from here. Now I'm going to go to features and I'm going to use swept boss base. The sketch is the small circle and the profile is going to be the entire profile that we have created. So I'll just select here and I'll click on OK. So that's how you can make this spring. You can also change this value of the sketch to, say I'll edit here, and instead of giving this dimension as 2.4, say I give it as 3. I come out of smart dimensions and exit, and you can see it has recreated itself again. So this is a very simple design of helical coil spring. Now sometimes it just moves out of your view. What you can do is you can just press the control button and keep it pressed and use the middle button of your mouse, and you can actually drag this object over your screen and bring it back to its position. So this is the thing that has been made. With this, I end the session. I hope you have understood this design. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.